Tip number 1 is about eating fruit rather than drinking juice. If you were to squeeze a couple of oranges, you'd just get a small amount of juice. Whereas if you eat the whole fruit, there's a whole lot of fibre there to help fill you up and keep you feeling satisfied. There's a whole range of fruits that we can consume. Citrus will contain more vitamin C. Your berries like raspberries, blueberries, strawberries, blackberries are really high in those blue and red colours that are protective in terms of our health. But even apples, grapes, kiwi fruit and pear all contain unique ingredients that are fantastic for our health. Fruits are one of the areas of our diet where we get beautiful colours, and that sort of colour component is thought to be really helpful for our overall health and well-being.